Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Notion for Client TaxBinder templates detailed. To install Notion for Client TaxBinder templates, start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the Notion website at notion.so. On the home page, locate the download button at the top right corner. Click on the download button to choose your operating system. If you are using Windows, select the Windows version to begin the download. For Mac users, click the option for Mac. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open the Notion application. If you already have a Notion account, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click the Sign Up button to create a new one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Notion interface. Begin by creating a new page for your TaxBinder template. Click on the plus New Page option in the sidebar. Select Empty Page to start from scratch. Name your page Client TaxBinder. To add elements to your TaxBinder, click on the provided options within the page. Incorporate tables for organizing client information. Add text blocks for instructions or reminders. Utilize the database feature for managing tax documents. Consider creating subpages for each client for better organization. Adjust the layout and design according to your preferences. Invite collaborators by clicking the Share button in the upper right corner. Ensure you choose the correct permissions for each collaborator. Save your changes regularly to avoid losing any information. Feeling confident with your setup, explore additional features offered by Notion. Utilize templates available in the Notion community for enhanced functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.